welcome back to another video. Can you guys please like and subscribe and do not touch the sound or else I will probably have to kidnap you. So please subscribe or else and don't check the sound. Anyways, let's hop right into the video and we're gonna be doing a little bit of unboxing and playing a game. And then I'm just gonna say bye-bye to them. So, seems like I can buy this guy, and I brought him. Yay, yay, yay. Ooh, I can buy something. Ooh, time to unbox. Nice. Boxing time. Let's see what I get, in. I got 200,000 of those. Nice, I'm a lucky guy today. Alright, and oh yeah, I forgot I had another spin, so let's keep doing that. Keep on. And I got 3 keys, so I can do it like 3 more times. Open. And also, I'm pretty sure I didn't get any dinos, sadly. So, but awkward silence. Hey, I go for crystals, I think. So, we're gonna like open the battle soon, so let's just keep some boxing and yep, it's time to open battle. Yep, let me just hop in battle. Why do I have to load screen? Okay. So guys, oh sorry. And I just showed something that it's poor. Oh, I have this big guy on my team. Also, let's just keep going until we find him. And oh, hello, fellow lad. Hello, fellow lads. Okay. My voice is on the one below. I don't really know it, but let's use it under these doors. I am. Please. Please subscribe to my channel. And also guys, I will be so Arctic Silence. Oh hi big guy. And he just killed me, so let's time to use my raptor. And let me just take a leap of faith. And also guys, I will be doing Acceleration 2 soon. Okay, please, and oh, it says my guy or the other guy, and it's my guy, yay! And something y'all please subscribe. Bye.